In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay Local Pickup. Local Pickup is a great option when you're selling bulky, fragile, or heavy items that are expensive to ship, or when you simply want buyers nearby to collect the item in person. It helps you avoid packing hassles and postage costs, and it can speed up the whole transaction. I'll walk you through exactly where to turn it on inside an existing listing draft, and I'll share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect. Start on the eBay homepage. At the top of the page, click Sell. This takes you into the selling workspace where you can manage your listings and preferences. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in first. Next, open your drafts. Drafts is where eBay keeps any listings you started but haven't published yet. It's perfect for making changes safely before anything goes live. Once you're in drafts, find the item you want to offer for local pickup and click Resume Draft. This opens the full listing editor so you can review details and adjust your delivery options. Inside the editor, scroll down until you see the shipping section. Depending on your layout, this area may also be labeled Delivery or Shipping and Delivery. Keep scrolling past pricing and returns until you reach the section that controls how the item will get to the buyer. Now click your current shipping option to open the choices and then select Local Pickup. Choosing Local Pickup tells nearby buyers they can collect the item in person rather than having it mailed. eBay will use the item location you set in the listing to determine who sees the pickup option, so make sure that location reflects where the item will actually be collected. When local pickup is active, buyers who are close enough will see it on the listing and can choose it at checkout. A few quick tips to help everything go smoothly. In your item description, add a short note about your typical pickup window, such as evening hours or weekends, and the general area for pickup. Keep all communication with the buyer on eBay messages so there's a clear record of what you agreed to. After purchase, confirm the pickup time and bring or request proof of the order when you meet. For safety, choose a well-lit public location if possible, and be clear about the condition of the item so the handoff is quick and hassle-free. That's it. Click Sell, go to Drafts, resume draft, scroll to Shipping, and select Local Pickup. With those steps, your listing is ready to attract nearby buyers who prefer to collect in person.